Did you know the top result on Google gets over 30% of all clicks? On YouTube, the top 3 videos get nearly all the attention. If your video isn't at the top, it's almost invisible. Ranking number 1 isn't about bragging. It's about reaching people who need your message right when they're searching for it. Imagine your ideal viewer searching for help and your video pops up first. You solve their problem, earn their trust, and likely gain a new subscriber. This isn't luck, it's a science. When you master ranking, viewers find you day after day, fueling real channel growth. At the Speakers Creator Hub, we've seen creators go from a few hundred views to thousands. By shifting from random uploads to strategic content, they target specific search terms and signal value to the algorithm. This is the difference between being a hobbyist and building a real audience. Ranking is a skill you can learn, starting today. This guide will show you how from finding the right keywords to optimizing your videos and structuring content for maximum watch time. You'll get a clear step-by-step blueprint to reach the top of search results. It's about working smarter, not harder. By the end, you'll know exactly how to give every video its best shot at ranking number 1. Ready to stop chasing viewers and start attracting them? Let's dive in and unlock your channel's true potential. Ranking isn't reserved for big channels, it's for anyone willing to learn the process. Let's get started. SEO starts with keywords, the exact words people type into search. If you don't know what your audience is searching for, you're just guessing. Begin by brainstorming topics your viewers care about, then break them into specific long-tail keywords. Use tools like TubeBuddy or VIDIQ to find keywords with high search volume and low competition. Your golden keywords. For example, instead of public speaking, target how to start a speech with confidence. Look for related keywords using Google's People Also Ask or YouTube's autocomplete. Gather a cluster of related keywords for each video to signal depth and relevance to the algorithm. This research is the foundation of your video success. Spend the extra time here. It can mean the difference between 100 views and 100,000. Don't guess. Know what your audience wants. That's how you dominate search rankings. Your title is your video's first impression, a digital handshake. Make it compelling and include your main keyword. For example, how to use a teleprompter without sounding like a robot is stronger than just teleprompter tutorial. Your description should naturally include your main and related keywords in the first few sentences. Write for humans first, algorithms second. Avoid keyword stuffing. Instead of listing keywords, weave them into real sentences. In this video, I share my top public speaking tips to help you improve your presentation skills. Always match your title and description to your video's actual content. If viewers click and leave quickly, YouTube knows your video didn't deliver. Honesty and clarity build trust with both your audience and the algorithm. Deliver on your promise every time. A strong title and description set you up for higher rankings and more engaged viewers. Make every word count. That's your digital handshake. Once someone clicks, you have 15-30 seconds to hook them. Start with a surprising stat, bold claim, or relatable problem. For example, did you know 90% of videos lose viewers in the first minute? Here's how to keep yours watching. Quickly build trust. Share your experience or results. Outline what viewers will learn so they know what's in it for them. A clear, engaging hook keeps viewers watching and signals value to YouTube. Weak openings lead to drop-offs and lower rankings. Master the first 30 seconds and you'll boost retention and recommendations. The hook is your most powerful tool. Use it wisely. Keep them watching and YouTube will keep sharing your content. Structure matters. Use chapters, timestamps to break your video into clear sections. Add them in your description, like 0 intro, 01 15 finding keywords. Chapters help viewers find what they need and show respect for their time. Label chapters with keyword-rich titles for extra SEO power. Google can display these chapters in search, driving more clicks. After your hook, deliver your promised value in a logical order. Avoid rambling, stick to your main points. Think of your video as a story. Hook, core content, call to action. Always fact-check advice, especially on sensitive topics. Be transparent about your sources and include disclaimers if needed. Honesty builds trust and protects your reputation. A well-structured, transparent video keeps viewers engaged and coming back. Structure is your secret weapon for retention and satisfaction. YouTube and Google work together. Optimize for both to double your discovery. Target keywords that people search on both platforms, especially how-to topics. Use your main keyword in your title, description, and even your video file name. Say your keywords out loud in your video. YouTube's auto captions pick them up. This synergy tells both algorithms your video is highly relevant. Mention related terms naturally throughout your script. Upload your own accurate captions for even more SEO power. This dual platform approach sets you apart from average creators. Your video becomes the go-to resource, showing up wherever your audience searches. Google traffic boosts YouTube rankings and vice versa, a winning cycle. Master both and you'll multiply your reach. Ranking is great, but building a loyal community is the real goal. And every video with a clear call to action asks viewers to like, comment, and subscribe. Respond to comments, especially in the first 24 hours. Engagement builds relationships and signals value to YouTube. Consider starting an email list. Offer a free resource in exchange for signups. This gives you a direct line to your biggest fans beyond the algorithm. Promote your presence on other platforms to grow your brand's ecosystem. Merchandise can help your audience feel part of your tribe. A strong community supports you, gives feedback, and champions your content. They're your most valuable asset, far beyond any single video's ranking. Don't just chase views, build real connections. Community is the foundation of lasting success. Nurture it and your channel will thrive. Your audience is your greatest strength. Let's recap your blueprint for ranking number 1. Start with deep keyword research. Find high volume, low competition terms. Craft compelling, keyword-rich titles and honest, helpful descriptions. Hook viewers in the first 30 seconds and structure your video with chapters. Speak your keywords and upload accurate captions for YouTube and Google. End with a strong call to action and engage with your audience. Build your community through email, social media, and merchandise. This is a repeatable system for every video you make. Be strategic and intentional. Don't just hope for success. You have the tools to create content that ranks, delivers value, and builds loyalty. Stop guessing, start following this blueprint. The number 1 spot is within your reach. Go claim it. Your growth starts now.